Well, friends, I found this product on Costco. It was $9.99 on sale, $3 off. And I bought it because look at the headlights of my truck. They're really, really yellow and faded. And according to what I saw online, they have a video that you can actually watch and some other reviews. These are supposedly great and they work. So the way they work, you have to take one of these wipes and just wipe it until everything just dries out. Keep wiping for a few minutes and it should clear. There's 12 packs, so that means that you have about 6 applications. So the instructions are right here. If you want to pause the video, they're right there. So let's give it a try. The box even included a pair of gloves, so you don't have to wait to get home to use it. You can use it right there on the parking lot. So let's go ahead, put those gloves on and see how this product works on these faded headlights. Okay guys, so here we go. It says to wipe up and down or in a circular motion. Oops, I dropped the wipe. Let me get it again. Okay. So let's see, up and down or in a circular motion. I'm gonna do both. Let's see how this goes. It says to work on it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So we'll see. It's doing something, you can tell. Okay. So I'm gonna let go of my camera. No, I'm not gonna let go of the camera. I'm gonna keep filming just to make sure that this might work. Okay, I think this might need more than one wipe. Okay, I'm doing all this by myself, so sorry for the shaky video. Let's see. Well, it's doing something for sure. It's not like totally restoring them, but I'm gonna compare it later on with the other one on the other side, and I'm gonna give it another try. Okay, so let's see. It says to apply for a few minutes, but that the wipe works for only 5 minutes. Okay, let's try this. The wipe is not only for headlights. Supposedly, it also works on chrome. It also works on minor scratches that you want to take off your paint job. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so let's compare that to this. Definitely it works. It's not 100% restoration, but you can tell that even here you can even see the headlights and you can see the lights on the inside compared to these ones that you cannot even tell. So I'm gonna use another wipe on that left one after I finish this one, the right side. So we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording just to use my hands the way they were supposed to, because I'm struggling here. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the second lens that I wiped for about 2.5 to 3 minutes with my right hand. I'm right-handed. The other one I wiped it with my left hand, so I applied a little bit more pressure on this one. But you can tell that actually it works. For $10, it works. I'm gonna show you the other one. This is the one I did with my left hand, so you can take an idea. So the question now is as follows. What's gonna happen in 2 or 3 days? I'm in Miami, so can you imagine this Miami heat? So we have to find out how long it actually works. So what I'm gonna do is that tomorrow I'm gonna apply it again. I'm gonna wait for this to be settled down for about maybe 24 hours, and then we're gonna see if a second coat actually works. But you can tell for $10 it does work. So guys, so keep an eye for the next video, so probably tomorrow or in 2 days I'm going to try again. And this is what ended up being on the wipe itself, that yellow residue that you see on the lenses. That's what I end up. So $9.99 at Costco. It's a good buy, definitely. How long it will last, we don't know. But if I were you and you had this issue, I would buy it. $9.99, you get better headlights. Thank you. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel because that will help me a lot. And with that said and done, let's wait for a second video in about 24 to 48 hours. Ciao.